Today, let's going to know about CNC router. Control system. There is one line connecting to the main board. This handheld controller is the most common one for CNC router, and is available for English languages. Here in the cabinet is the frequency inverter. It controls the spindle, so the power must be above the spindle power. There are different power for the spindle. Here's the air cooling by the fans. For the water-cooled spindle will be cooled by a small pump. You will say it's a kind of vacuum working table with 6 areas. It connecting to the vacuum pump, so the material will be sucked on the table very stable. And another one table is the aluminum working table with clamping tools. Here is some transmission part for the CNC router. It including the square wheels, rack, sliders. For X and Y we use square wheels and rack, but for Z we use screw. Here's the driving system, the driver and drive motor. For example, in the video is the hybrid servo motor. For the multi-spindle CNC, we use AC servo motor. Here's the spindle, 4 spindles working separated. This one is the most popular one for the panel furniture processing. We choose 9 kW air cooling spindle, HQD, HSD, with 12 tool changers. All the square wheels with dustproof cover to ensure the use life. And the AC servo motor for XYZ to ensure the cutting and drilling speed. All the electronic parts pass the CE certification, such as the Schneider chain brand. About the control system, we can choose Taiwan LNC or Taiwan Syntec. In the manual mode, MDI mode, you can use these wheels to make the tool sensor. The position cylinder can make sure the position of the board. This new design can make sure the stable working for the gantry. With the first button, it's easy to start, position, and emergency stop at the end of the machine. Here's some loading wheels, easy to move the board. The pushing cylinder and dust collections can make sure the board very clean when pushing forward. It realizes the double cleaning for the processing. These pressing wheels make sure the cutting very stable. The automatic lubrication with the cover looks nice, safe and clean. Finally, here's the side hole drillings. There are key 3 and key 2 models, 3 with a knife and key 2 with 2 spindles. There is air vacuum pump and water vacuum pump, a dust collection. The bed frame for CNC router is ready for assembling, the gantry assembling. Finally, the machine are ready for shape.